candidate number 6. Congratulations for being part of the top 4. So the questions will be coming from our judges. We have picked judge number 2.
So here's your question. As a future Miss DCOC 2024, what significant qualities do you have as a point of reflection to the tagline of Daraga Community College, Pantayan ng Pangarap? Again, as a future Miss DCOC 2024, what significant qualities do you have as a point of reflection to the tagline of Daraga Community College, Pantayan ng Pangarap?
As a future Miss DCOC 2024, I would like to be the voice for voiceless. Because at the young age, when I was in 8th grade, I was being depressed and stressed. And even my family, they doesn't even know that I am stressed. So by this platform, if I should win this, I will be able to implement the Bukas Isip Advocacy Organization Club here in DCOC, wherein every individual ensuring that they will be able to get the attention and the mental health care that they need. Because I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that mental health has given the same importance with our physical health. And I thank you.
Judge number 3.
Sorry.
Alright, good evening, candidate number 8. Good evening, DCOC. Alright, so your question is, in a world facing many challenges, how can you, as a young leader, use your unique strength to create meaningful change in your community? Again, your question is, in a world facing many challenges, how can you, as a young leader, use your unique strength to create meaningful change in your community? So I want you to think deeply, whether it's in education or character or simply showing kindness.
Thank you for that wonderful question. So first of all, as someone who's been pursuing a lot of different roles, I think that I can make significant differences in imparting those knowledge and experiences with my peers and my fellow students for them to discover their true potential and find where their hearts really belong. So I wish that in my attempt in this competition, I can also help them to see that it doesn't matter where you are from, it doesn't matter what your past experiences are, as long as you try and keep pushing yourself to do the things that you fear, you will become the best version of yourself. And I thank you.
Okay, you picked candidate, I'm sorry, you picked judge number 4.
I am candidate number 10. So my question is, what do you think about education system in your school or DCOC? Again, my question is, what do you think about the education system in your school or DCOC?
Thank you for that very timely question. So as a 4th year student who's in her field study right now, I really see the lackings in our educational systems that we need to improve. And as a future educator, I want to address this issue. I want to become that change. And I think us here in Daraga Community College can make a big change in our educational system. And I think Daraga Community College is one good institution for that. Because our school gives a free high-quality education for unemployable and transformational graduates, for our educational system, and for our society. That would be all. Thank you.
Okay, you picked judge number 5.
Hi, candidate number 7. Hindi ko po, saan ka comfortable? English or Tagalog? na question.
I am very sorry, but it's a mix, Filipino and English, please.
Okay, sige. Ito na lang, Tagalog na lang, but you can also answer it in English. Sige. Kaya mo bang ipagpatuloy ang nasimulan na ng iba? Again, kaya mo bang ipagpatuloy ang nasimulan na ng iba?
Thank you for the questions. Kaya ko bang ipagpatuloy ang nasimulan ng iba? I believe, ladies and gentlemen, it's a no. Because it is me. I have to pursue what is my goals in life. And it's not about the others. It's not about the decisions that they make. I should not rely on them and do those things because of the sake of themselves. I want to be myself because I believe that you can have the freedom if you truly know yourself. And I thank you.